Good morning everybody. Today I want to show you how I make batch bread. It's a good old Irish concept. Back in the day I made it when I was an apprentice back in 1955 and I believe they still make it today in Ireland. Anyhow, I'll get on with it and I'll show you what I do. I've got about 600 mils of water here, 20 grams of salt, 20 grams of sugar, 1 kilo of good strong baker's flour. This is running at about 13% protein. 10 grams of bread improver. You know I like to use that. 12 grams of good quality instant yeast. And 25 grams of lard. I also like to use that. I think lard's the best. Now I'll put this on and get it mixing. I like a firm dough. Slack doughs, you get a lot of holes in your bread. Firm doughs, you get a tighter crumb. So that's the way it goes. So keep your dough fairly firm for this type of bread, and you'll get a nice tight crumb. So I'll get this on mixing and then I'll come back to you. Now this has come together very nice. It's been about 10 minutes and it's just like I want it. Just the consistency I want. So I'll just mould that up and then I'll leave it probably for I'm thinking probably an hour, hour and a half, till it's about double in size. So I'll let that rise now, have a good fermentation period, and I'll get back to you. Okay, the dough has risen up very nicely. I'll take this out now. As you can see, I'm not using any flour because it's a firm dough. Now I'm going to scale these off at 400 grams. 400 grams about. So we'll divide that up into 4. Good. Now I'll mould these up. And leave them for about 20 minutes. If you can't mould like this, just shape them up the best way you can into a ball. So, I'll leave those now probably for about 20-25 minutes and then we'll put them in the tin. Okay, the dough's had 20 minutes. It's quite good. Now the tin I'm using, it's just an old cake tin. It's 9 inches by 9 inches and 3 inches deep. Now, it's ideal for this amount of dough because I've got 1.6 kilos of dough there and it works out pretty good. So what I do, I give it 2 half turns, what I call a half turn. That's a half turn. And then I mould it up round into a ball. Like so. Make sure you got the joint on the bottom. In there, give it a little press down. Same here. Joint on the bottom. In there. Press it down. If you can't mould up like this, don't worry about it. Just get the gas out of them and mould them into balls. like so. Join on the bottom. Give it a press down. Same with this one. Now, I'll cover these, and they're going to take at least an hour, possibly a bit longer. So I'll preheat the oven to 220. I'm not going to have a very hot oven because you've got to allow for the heat to penetrate all the way in to bake the bread. If you've got the oven too hot, you'll burn the top of the bread. But anyhow, I'll preheat the oven to 220. Okay, these are about the height I want them to be. I've preheated the oven to 220. I'll put them in. I'll leave them about 10 minutes and I'll turn it back to 200. And then after 25 minutes I'll turn them around. They're probably going to take 50 to an hour because it's fairly thick. Okay, the bread's ready to come out now. It's been 50 minutes. Quite happy with it. Looks beautiful. Looks lovely. Let's get these out. Look how nice that looks. Really nice. Quite happy with that. So I'll let these cool down and then we'll have a look at them. But that's beautiful. Beautiful aroma. Very nice. This has cooled down enough now. We'll have a look at it. Very nice. Beautiful. How nice does that look? How nice is that? Very happy with this. Beautiful. So, I hope you like watching my video on how I make batch bread. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe. So, thanks again for watching. And please, stay safe. Thank you.